Hey, this is Phil and it's your Friday video update. So you've probably heard on the news today that the European Union is losing Britain. Britain has voted to leave the European Union, and that sent the stock market and the bond market and everything into a big turmoil today. I got a lot of calls from customers saying, what did that do to rates? Well, quite honestly, it didn't do a whole lot to rates. And that's fairly typical when there's a big event. You don't usually see an immediate impact on interest rates. Yes, there was a tiny bit improvement, but not what some people were thinking would happen. So I'm looking for maybe things to kind of level out and us to get more of an indication next week as to what ultimately happens with interest rates. Read a couple articles today that said that interest rates could continue to go down. Certainly talking about the Fed certainly not doing anything to raise interest rates right now. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here, but I just wanted you to know that you'll probably be hearing things on the news about how rates plummeted and stuff, and that really didn't happen in the real world. Yes, there was an impact, and there was a lot of money that went into the safe haven of the bond market, and that certainly does help interest rates, but it's a slow improvement usually. It doesn't happen overnight. One other thing I wanted to quickly update you on, we talked last week about the trended credit data going into effect on June 25th. Well, right after I did that video, Fannie Mae announced that they were holding off on that. Seems that some of the testing on their desktop underwriter system didn't really go as planned, and so they've now announced a new release date for September 24th of this year. So we have a little respite on when that goes into effect. One thing I did learn earlier this week, that there is going to be a little bit of an increase in the cost of credit reports because of the trended credit data information. So that's it for now. I hope that helps. Keep an eye on rates, and if you have questions, give me a call. It's still a great time to buy, and certainly great interest rates out there for everybody who's looking to buy or refinance. So give me a call and I'll help you with that. Forward and share this. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next week.